Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Clipboard Access safely on Grubhub to protect your personal information, follow these quick steps to manage Clipboard permissions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your smartphone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. Step 3. Find and tap on Grubhub from the list of installed apps. Step 4. Tap on Permissions to view all permissions granted to Grubhub. Step 5. Look for Clipboard-related permissions or paste access. On iOS, Clipboard access is monitored by the system and cannot be manually restricted. Step 6. On Android, review all permissions and deny any that seem unnecessary for Grubhub to function. Step 7. Avoid copying sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers to your clipboard before using Grubhub. Step 8. Clear your clipboard after using Grubhub by copying a random piece of text to overwrite sensitive data. Step 9. On iPhone, you will receive a notification when an app accesses your clipboard. Monitor these notifications for any suspicious activity. Step 10. Regularly update Grubhub to ensure you have the latest security patches and privacy protections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.